Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to remove an email account from your Android phone, or remove or log out or sign out your email or Gmail or Google account from your any Android phone. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this time I can show some process. So first of all I can show fast process. So let's see. So first of all go to your Google Chrome. After that choose and open Google Chrome. In this time I can show fast process how to remove or log out or sign out your email or Gmail or Google account from your phone. So let's see. Right top corner, 3 button option, click on it. Choose and open settings. You can see Gmail name. After that Gmail, so in this here click on it. After that scroll down, so you can see sign out. In this time you can choose sign out, click here, and in this way you can easily sign out or log out or remove your email or Gmail or Google account from any Android phone. And in this time I can show second process or second method. So let's see. After that you can see manage accounts on this device, click on it. In this time you can choose and select the email account that you want to remove. So in this time you can choose and open your email account. After that choose remove account, click here. After that choose remove, click on it. In this way you can easily remove or log out or sign out your email account. In this time I can show second process or second method. So let's see. So go to your phone settings. After that choose and open phone settings. After that in this here write and search manage accounts. You can see manage accounts and backup. So choose and open it. After that choose and open manage accounts, click here. After that choose and open your Gmail account. You can see remove account. So in this you can choose remove account. Remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its contacts, calendars and other data from this phone. The data will remain in the account and can be accessed by signing in again. After that choose remove. In this way you can easily remove or log out or sign out your email account from your any Android phone. In this time I can show third process. So go to your Gmail. After that choose and open Gmail. After that right top corner, click here. After that scroll down. You can see manage accounts on this device. So choose and select manage accounts on this device, click here. After that choose and open Gmail. After that choose remove, click on it. In this way you can easily remove your email account from your Android phone, or log out or sign out your Gmail account or Google account or email account on any Android phone. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.